Audi TT, addressing a common issue for this car. The main problem is glass detachment. We'll do a full reglue, removing the top, fixing it, and restoring everything. First, we'll seal the opening, we'll glue, stitch, then reattach the glass. Remove the TT's frame. The usual problem we see is with the drains. They're clogged and the tubes are likely damaged. We'll inspect and probably replace them. We finished the TT's maintenance, roof repair, and glass regluing. This is how it looks now. We made a small rubber edge due to previous repair marks, avoiding a wide trim. Now it'll work as intended. We also replaced drains, hydraulics, and fixed the gutter. And we did a minor awning repair. We sewed repair inserts on both sides symmetrically. Now everything's brought to perfect condition, ready for a joyride. Here's the hydrophobic coating test. This is how the hydrophobic treatment works. Water doesn't collect. Like this. The roof stays cleaner and leaks less. We suggest maintenance at each seasonal check. Year-round cars need service twice, pre and post-winter. For stored winter cars, spring maintenance is enough.